Hey, Frankie, how
Hey,
you doing,
how are
mate?
you?
I heard you got married.
Yeah, I
Congratulations.
did it. Yeah, I did
Hey,
it.
mate, listen, you
I
know
did.
what? Let me tell you something about marriage. Mate, marriage is very psychological. You understand? One of you psycho, the other's logical.
That's perfect. That's so true. Oh my
And
God.
arguing with your wife is like downloading a new software program. After a while, it's too wordy, too difficult, and you just press, I agree, I agree.
That's gold.
Yeah,
That's
and,
gold.
and you know, and I don't know. This is the day that I got married. I don't know if it was the same for you. The day that I got married was like, it was like getting a factory reset on my iPhone. Every memory I ever had up until that day got wiped out, and I was just left with the basic essentials to function.
yes.
Oh, mate, it's a killer.
That's making amazing.
Yeah.
Oh my.